Hi everyone, please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
So guys, let's make some fun just like this. Hey Google, where do you live?
I live in the cloud. Luckily, this one never rains.
That's crazy answer. Are you married?
I'm still waiting for the right electronic device to steal my heart.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Vicky Tech. Hi guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, here is the OnePlus and Nord. Here is the OnePlus Nord. So anyhow, I have been keep using this mobile phone in all angles. I have been using this mobile phone very lot in these 2 weeks. So extraordinary, I have used it in one word. The thing is guys, in your one hand side, I was pretty impressed with what the company made in this mobile phone. On the other hand side, I have been very disappointed. So the thing is guys, before this mobile phone launch in the market, we have seen lot of specs leaks in the internet, but whatever it may be, once the company official released this mobile phone, at the time the company clearly told that we have been stolen the camera from the OnePlus 8 and we put that camera in this Nord. But in reality, it's not up to the mark guys. Of course, they stolen the camera from the OnePlus 8 and they put in this Nord. But the optimization of the camera was not great and I was not happy with that. Okay, let's put it aside. And the next thing which makes me really irritating is we know that OnePlus is the brand which belongs to the China, which we call it as a Chinese mobile phone. But of course, even though it's a Chinese mobile phone also, in India especially, OnePlus has a lot of fans and the people believe the company OnePlus. The thing is guys, at the back side the company given here quad camera setup. The primary sensor is 48. It's okay. The second camera is 8 megapixel for ultra wide. That's also good and decent. The thing is the remaining 2 cameras, especially the macro camera, is just like a stupid. There was no use to use this Mac camera. Even though if you put your 2 fingers and close the remaining 2 cameras also, the camera works normally, even if it is the macro shot also, which means the macro camera is just like a dummy. The thing is guys, the OnePlus Nord created a lot of hype in the public. We use the quad camera setup and we use the same camera which was available in the flagship cam. So it's just like a creating hype in the public. I was pretty disappointed here. And also it's like a shame for the brand of OnePlus what they give promises to the public. So whereas guys like that, with the help of the back cam, there was 48 megapixel. As I told you, the optimization was not good. I'm not saying the photo was pretty good, but it's not the best in class. At the time they created a lot of hype now when they're releasing the mobile phone. Whereas guys, the OnePlus team also agree the camera is not up to the mark. So hence they're saying that in the official forum of the OnePlus Nord, they claim that while we're providing the Android 11 update, then we can do the best optimization for the camera. So anyhow, we have to wait for that whether it was going to be reality or not. Whereas guys, the front side they're giving here dual camera. The images, the photos which was taken was pretty good, but I was not impressed because whereas the back cam and the front cam also, if you are using in the low light condition, low light means indoor lighting shots was not pretty decent, especially if you zoom the pictures. So definitely OnePlus team need to work hard to fix it. And one more interesting thing in the camera department, with the rear and the front cam, we can able to shoot the 4K at the 30 frames per second. And also the video recording from this Nord was really good. The video exposure values, the color production and the stabilization was really pretty impressed. It was good, but whereas in terms of the photography, I was not happy. Whereas guys, this mobile phone comes with 6.44 inches fluid Super AMOLED display and a screen refresh rate of 90 Hz. The watching movies really excellent. I was pretty impressed with the display in this price budget, really. So Amazon, Netflix was really great experience watching movies. Viewing angles also very good. If you taken this mobile phone to direct sunlight also, the visibility of the screen was good, but keep in mind not best in class. I didn't mean we can easily reply to our friends, we can chat, we can read article also in the direct outdoor lighting condition, but it was not the best. Of course it was the good. Whereas I have have seen that many people was complaining about this mobile phone. We have seen like the green tint, black crash like that. At the time when I do unboxing this video phone, I told I haven't faced anything issue like that. But in these 2 weeks of using, seriously, I haven't felt anything issue like that. Even though I use the brightness level, putting 0 to 20 or even 30%, but turning off all the ceiling lights in the complete darkness. I was using the windows like Google Chrome private window. I mean the windows which we provide as the blackish gray. So I used all those windows, all those applications, but I haven't found anything issues like that. But one thing I have noticed that if you use the dark mode, by default the company providing has the dark mode. So if you switch to the dark mode, then definitely guys, you will also definitely notice something, a slide of light greenish shade. But I don't think so that shade will impact the durability of the display, so I can ignore it and we can easily purchase the mobile phone. That is my opinion. But of course in some mobile phones there should be, the issue was very big, so you guys definitely need to consider it and you guys contact the company. It's better to replace the device if the company doesn't agree that, but better to go for the consumer forum, because investing 25k, 28k or even 30k, so accepting such type of displays is not good. Of course it's like a property of the AMOLED screen, but even though if the issue was big in your mobile phone, definitely you should contact the company to replace the device or even to refund the amount. Whereas guys, at the bottom side they given here monochrome single speaker. The volume from the speaker was pretty loud. Even if you use the speaker volume to top level 100, I haven't heard any kind of noise from the speaker. It was very clear and neat. Of course disappointed thing here again is they did not give in the stereo speaker. And also guys, the OnePlus team again, to save the money, they skipped the 3.5mm jack. So if you want to buy that, then you need to buy the additional 3.5 connector USB Type-C adapter for this. Of course in my case I've been using this mobile phone by using the Bluetooth headphones connected to my Sennheiser Bluetooth headphones. Whereas guys, this was a doubt for the many people about the durability, because we have seen that the jerry rig test, in that test the guy can easily break the display with his naked palms. But the thing is guys, of course at the front and the back side it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, whereas the side frame they provided has the plastic frame, so that makes a lot of questionable to the public mindset. The thing is guys, when I do unboxing at the beginning 1 week, I have used this mobile phone without the card, so I haven't faced any kind of issues in regarding the durability. It was very good while I hold the mobile phone tightly in my hand, also while I use the mobile phone, put my pocket. So anyhow, I never feel the device can break easily. So guys, you can easily purchase this mobile phone. Of course, again you have seen that after 1 week I have been using this case which was comes with the box. So guys, the reason for using this case, I feel very comfortable while I hold the mobile phone, and also usually the mobile phones in my hand was getting slippery, so the case is like an extra protection. But I'm sure if you purchase the external protection case from the bumper case from the Nord store, that would be more awesome when compared to the case which was provided by the box. I also ordered the bumper case, it was in the shipping. If you're talking about the connectivity, it comes with a dual card, which means you can able to use 2 same cards, and also this device can able to support the future 5G network also. Of course right now I have been using the single SIM Airtel 4G. The signal reception and the call quality was really awesome. The noise cancellation was working pretty well. I had taken a lot of phone calls, especially in the WhatsApp calls also I have done, but it was really great experience. I haven't faced any kind of call dropping or network issues in this mobile phone, whereas this mobile phone can able to support dual band Wi-Fi, which means 5 GHz band also. Whereas the interesting thing here is they given the NFC, so which was awesome. So I can have the wireless headphones Sennheiser. So here is the headphones. What I mean, to make these headphones to pairing mode, I use the NFC. So when I type it like that, the device can easily go to the pairing mode, so then I can able to connect these headphones to the another gadgets. So for that I use the NFC, it's working pretty well, and Bluetooth 5.0 also very good, because I have been connected to the headphone to the Bluetooth. I can easily enjoy the music, watching the movies like that. Whereas guys, in terms of battery department, this device comes with 4115 mAh at 30 watts fast charging brad charger. So guys, to charge the device from 0 to 100%, it takes nearly less than 1 hour. So in my testing, it takes nearly 59 minutes 20 seconds like that. I have already provided a dedicated video about the battery testing, and also every 10 minutes I have read the temperatures also, so you guys can check out from that video. Whereas guys, this mobile phone comes with a Snapdragon 765G processor, and it's a 5G processor, whereas guys, the processor built with 7 nanometer architecture. So because of that, even though if you're using the heavy applications and playing the games, the PUBG, Call of Duty also, the mobile does not heat too much quickly, so the temperature was in control. Again, I have provided a dedicated video on the gaming department of this mobile phone, including the temperature readings also. You guys can check out from that video. So anyhow guys, before ending this video, so I want to let you know this device comes with 3 categories of prices: 25,000 rupees, and 28,000, and even 30,000 rupees. You guys can, this device was worth for the money if you can able to purchase the 25,000 rupees, which was going to be available in the next month, September. Whereas if you are buying this 28,000 rupees or even the 30,000 rupees mobile phone, definitely you have to think once, because there was plenty of alternative options which was more better than this OnePlus Nord mobile phone. So guys, before ending this video, it is one of the good, interesting mobile phone in its price category, besides this Oxygen OS, which was very light and fluid. The thing is, the disappointing is camera, because I purchased this mobile phone because of the camera, where the flagship camera I expected, but in reality, the camera was not up to the mark. Anyhow, the company gave the promises in Android 11 update, they was going to provide the camera update, but I don't know what was going to be reality. So like I said, there was no heating issue, multitasking was going pretty well, and also RAM management also very good in this mobile phone. If you're talking about the display issues, I mean green tint issues, so of course definitely every mobile has definitely that issue, but if you switch to the dark mode, and if you're using the brightness level to 0 to 20%, at that time definitely you will notice light shade of green color. So in my opinion, I should be ignored that. But if the issue was high, then definitely you need to contact the car company, and it's better to replace the device. And also we know that the side frame, they added the plastic, so which was not easily break up at the video what you have seen in the Geridic testing. So the durability also is okay, but my suggestion better to go for the case is very important for this mobile phone. And also guys, all the sensors was available in this mobile phone. That the in-display fingerprint are also working pretty well in this mobile phone, and also by default we can able to record the call recorder also. But the thing is,
this call is now being recorded.
when you tap on the record, the mobile phone will indicate us the call recording has been started, which means the other person and the caller also can able to understand we are recording his particular call. And also one thing, while doing the conference calls, at that time the call recording was not working. It's like a bug, maybe the company should fix it soon. All the sensors in this OnePlus Nord working pretty well, but one thing I have been noticed, especially that ambient sensor. When you going the environment to light to dark environment, sometimes, not always, sometimes the ambient sensor was troubling to calibrate the temperature and to show us the exact lighting condition. It was happening very rare conditions only, but not always. So, and also guys, if you want a mobile phone which should be light, stylish, neat design with light OS, then definitely you can look it. Even though camera is okay, but camera is not up to the mark what the company created a hype while releasing this mobile phone in the market. So that's it in this video guys. I hope I have provided all the information. If you have any kind of special question, just let me ask in the comment section. I was pretty happy to assist you. Hey guys, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Really thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. See you very soon in the next video. Take care.